Hello. Okay, so first of all, it has been a minute. I am so sorry. There has been a lot going on. Your girl is tired. Tired. So the short version is that I now work for a different airline. I am so excited. I completed training last week. It was 7 weeks. It was not a walk in the park, but it was definitely worth it. And I will be starting flying for them in the next few days. So I'm excited. And I'll have some videos about that and the training process and some pointers if you are going through training or about to go through training. But today's video is about a ThredUp box. So for those who don't know me, my name is Jessica, flight attendant flipper. I am a full-time flight attendant and part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and whatever other sites I decide to list on. And so I haven't really been thrifting because I have been in training, but I finally broke down and decided to get a ThredUp box. Now, your girl's budget's a little limited because training is for the most part unpaid. So that's a different story for a different day. But I ended up getting a men's box. It's 10 pounds of random men's clothing, and it ended up costing $56, including shipping. And it's right here. It was a little damaged, so hopefully nobody went through it because it looks like it was damaged enough that someone could get in it, but we'll see. So I'm going to open it with you, and we are going to see what exactly $56 got me from a ThredUp men's rescue box. All right, you ready? All right, let's go. Okay. All right, little wrapping paper action. And the first item is, okay. A Nike, so it's like a Nike USA dry fit. Pretty cool. It looks to be in really good condition. It is a size medium. Not bad. So this is USA on the back. Little sporty action going on. Not bad. Let's see what's next. All right. This is chaps. Okay, a yellow chaps polo. Good color for the summer. Size double XL. Okay, so this is still in the packaging. It's clearly a dress shirt from Indochino. I can't even see the size right now, but okay. Those are usually custom fit, like custom tailored. You buy them online and you put in your measurements, so I'll have to figure out what the measurements are. What is this? Oh, this is cute with the tag still on it. Okay. So it's a Tommy Hilfiger polo, really bright yellow, so they can see you coming from down the street. And so look at this. The tag says $59.99, still has a tag on it, and it's also a size medium. Is there a stain? There's a little stain. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Maybe I can get it out. Who knows? But it was never worn, just stain. Thank you. Okay. A lot of tops here. So this is an Under Armour 2XL. Nice, like this heathered red polo, the pull-over polo. It's got the Under Armour logo. It's in really good condition. Usually when it's been washed a lot, the Under Armour will peel. So this is not really peeling. Oh, is this another shirt? Yes, okay. This is a Champion, and it is damaged, so I'm just gonna probably redonate this. So it's got a little snag, double XL Champion gray shirt, but I think I'll just redonate it. Okay, let's see here. This is like it's an Eddie Bauer like waffle knit type long sleeve quarter button pullover. What size is this? This is a small. This is a small? Okay, well this is a small. It appears to be in great condition, so I will sell that. I mean, these are, for the most part, bread and butter items. They're not like super luxury. Oh, hello, hoodie. Oh, this feels nice. This feels nice. Okay, so it's a black hoodie, and it's super soft, and it has like Sherpa inside. I mean, it's not the time right now, but oh, it's an Athleta. It's a medium. I don't know if this is a man's. Well, it might be. And it's got the little, this is so cute. I like this one. And it's got the little kangaroo pockets, and it also has the thumb holes. But if you see, they're like Sherpa inside. Oh, this is super, oh, this is very soft. I might keep this for myself. Don't judge. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. So if you don't know me, I will let you know. My least favorite color. I can't stand this color. I cannot stand this color. Red. Oh, it's a chaps button down long sleeve. Red. Okay. Oh, this one has tags. Where is this from? Okay, a pair of Uniqlo shorts. Size 44. They're cute. New with tags. Not bad. I mean, again, these are like bread and butter items. Here's another. Okay, so these are new with tags, Nike mid-thigh length shorts. What size are you? You're a size small. Also new with tags though. I'm not mad at it. Oh, with the little Nike logo. How cute is that? All right. Okay, another new tags item. What is this? From H&M. Again, bread and butter. So if you don't know, bread and butter is like kind of like mall brands that sell. They don't sell for a lot, but they sell, right? So this is probably, let's see, this is a US 38. Yes, and this was new with tags. It was 30, so I'll probably get 15 to 20 for it. Who knows? And the last item, let's see what they did. All right. Oh, a pair of Guess Los Angeles jeans. And these are medium tapered slim. Okay. So we have a size. Are we not having a size here today? 33 by 30. So here they go. And it's got the little Guess patch and the little Guess triangle that I haven't seen in probably about 30 years. All right, well, I'm not super mad at that. So that was the entire box. I'll definitely be able to make my money back, probably a little bit of profit, but definitely break even. So it was kind of fun. Let me know what you thought. If you've ever gotten a men's ThredUp box, did you have better luck than I did? Or is this about average? I may do other rescue boxes. The one I want are the shoes, but those sell out so quickly. So there you have it. And I will see you soon. Happy thrifting and fly safe. Bye.